ALM offers full range of lead screws such as ACME lead screw, trapezoidal lead screw, metric thread lead screw, bidirectional lead screw. This trapezoidal lead screw diameter is 18 mm, lead 8 mm with 2 stars. This nut structure is very special. Round shape with a threaded hollow. Material is brass. It's durable and easy to install. Pig, bronze, PLM nut materials are also available. ALM offers custom solutions with lead screw diameter from 1.78 mm to 80 mm. Both shaft ends and nut shapes can be produced as required. Lead accuracy can be 0.02 mm per 100 mm. Faster delivery within 10 days. Welcome to inquiry.